How to keep fridge off for a long time. To keep a fridge off for a long time, completely empty it, unplug it from the power source, turn off the water supply valve if applicable, clean the inside thoroughly, and leave the doors slightly open to prevent moisture buildup and odor development. Consider using a fridge cover for additional protection if storing for an extended period. Empty completely. Remove all food items from both the fridge and freezer compartments. Clean thoroughly. Wipe down the interior with a cleaning solution to prevent mold growth. Turn off water supply. If your fridge has a water dispenser, shut off the water supply valve. Adjust temperature settings. Set the thermostat to the off position. Unplug from power. Disconnect the fridge from the electrical outlet. Leave doors slightly open. Prop the doors open with a clean cloth or cardboard to allow air circulation and prevent odor buildup.